Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. So, see the picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, you see two children sleeping in a large pipe. Why do you think they are sleeping in a pipe? Just think about it. Yes, it is because they don't have a house to live in. Have you seen such a sight somewhere? There are many people who doesn't have a house to live in, and these people will have to sleep under the bridges, in pipes like these, etc. So today we are going to learn the lesson Chotu's House, which is the fifth chapter of your textbook. So let's move on to Chotu's story. Chotu was a boy who lived in a very poor household in a village. So one day he decided to go to Mumbai looking for a job because he wanted to earn money to support his family. Now Mumbai is a very busy and crowded place. There are many people in Mumbai who doesn't have a house to live in. So you can see many people living under the bridges, on the platforms of railway stations, and in large pipes. So Chotu arrived in such a city, a crowded, busy Mumbai. This you can see in the first picture. That is, Chotu arrived in Mumbai. Then it started to rain. Now Chotu didn't have a house to live in. So he wasn't protected from the rain. So as Chotu didn't have a shelter, he had to sit on the roadside in the rain. This you can see in the second picture. Can you imagine such a situation like this? Having no place to stay? Yes. So Chotu had to experience such a situation. Now, Chotu didn't find a job in Mumbai, so he didn't have a place to live in. So Chotu found a large pipe and thought that this is a good place to live in. So Chotu started sleeping in the pipe. This you can see in the third picture. Then Chotu thought of making this pipe his house. So he separated different portions of the pipe for different purposes like sleeping, cooking, washing, etc. This you can see in the fourth picture. So Chotu made the pipe his house. Now, while this was happening, while Chotu was living in a pipe, another boy called Monu came to Mumbai searching for a job just like Chotu. He too didn't have a place to live in. He didn't have a house. So Chotu invited Monu to live with him in his pipe. So Chotu and Monu started living together in the pipe. Don't you think it's very nice of Chotu to invite Monu? Yes, sharing is such a very good quality and we should always practice it. Now see the pictures given in the slide. You can see many children living in pipes or on roadsides. This is a very common sight in our country. There are many people in our country who doesn't have a house to live in. So a house is a very important part of our life. It is a basic necessity to have a house to live in and food to eat. and there are a lot of people in India who doesn't have this. Can you imagine such a situation, having no house to live in? So don't you think we are all very lucky to have a house with different rooms for different purposes? Yes, so it is our duty to protect the people who are all needy of a house or needy in general. So, as lucky people, we have to help these children to live a better life. Now, let's discuss some things. What did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? Read the question once. What did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? Answer. Chotu thought that the pipe is a very good place to stay. Chotu thought that it's a very safe place to stay in or live in. Now, see the second question. How did Chotu use the pipe? Yes, Chotu used the pipe as his house. See the third question. Why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? Chotu saw that Monu too didn't have a house to live in. So, this is why Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe. Now, children, open your notebook, fill up the index first. Now, take a fresh page, write the date in the margin, and chapter 5 Chotu's house. Now, draw the picture of your house and color it. Do this neatly in your notebook. Thank you.